Hey there guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check the statistics of any YouTube channel, including the views, subscribers, and the estimated revenue. Let's jump right in. On your computer, open any web browser. Chrome, Edge, or Firefox will work. In the search bar, type view stats and press enter. Now click on the first link that appears in the search result. This will take you to the ViewStat website. You'll see a search bar at the top of the page. Here, enter the YouTube channel name, or even better, the username or handle. Let's use Mr. Beast as an example. Once you type the full name, results will appear below. Click on the correct channel from the list to view its analytics. Now, you'll see the channel's public data, including daily views, monthly subscriber growth, estimated revenue. You can scroll down to explore more details about the channel's performance, all clearly laid out in the charts and numbers. Using the username or channel handle gives you accurate search results, especially if there are multiple channels with similar names. And if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more quick guides like this. Thanks for watching.